Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Wombat Games, and today I'll be showing you the basics to making and starting a HTML website. However, before we get into it, make sure to subscribe and press the bell so you're the first to know when I upload and you'll never miss a video. And also follow my Instagram at wombat_games_YT to know the behind the scenes footage, when I'm going to upload and so forth. Link will be in the description below. So to start this off, I want us to open a notepad and save it as on a desktop as whatever you want. I'll just call mine my website. But you got to make sure that it is .html so it knows to open up Google. So when we click that, it'll open up a blank page because we haven't written anything yet. So to start off, we got to put the triangular like brackets and type in ! doctype HTML. This will tell the notepad that this is a HTML document. And second of all, we're going to write again HTML. This will show that this bit of the notepad will be the HTML. Next we will add a body inside the HTML. So this is the bit that is going to go onto my website. Alright? And in here we can do many things. This is where you write everything. You do almost all of it. I'll be showing you the basics, so I'll just show you headings. Headings, you can have headings 1 to 6, and you can write anything in them. So like, I'll just say, welcome to my website. And to make sure that the notepad knows when to end the headings, you got to put the triangular brackets, a slash, H1 for heading 1, and end that. So this will show that the website will say, welcome to my website. So let's try it out. So let's save this document. Let's go onto our website and refresh the page, and here you go. It says, welcome to my website. Next, we are going to write a bit more. So let's do a paragraph. So you just write a P inside the brackets, and you can say whatever you want. So I'll say, please make sure to drop a like on this video. And now to end it, we just end it how we ended the heading 1. You just put the curly bracket, the slash, the P, and end it. So now once we save this, put it back onto the website and refresh, here you go. It says, please make sure to drop a like on this video. You heard what the website says. I'll give you 5 seconds to do that. Alright, I hope that's 5 seconds. But let's move on to the next thing. So to end it all, you just gotta end the body like we ended the paragraph and the headings. And the same for the HTML, which is pretty straightforward. So this is it in full, completed. Hasn't changed it at all, but it just makes sure that everyone knows that it's ended. Now I'll be showing you one more concept today, and this is a break. So a break is like pressing an enter button on the keyboard. It's going to drop a space below that's going to be empty. And we do that just by going inside the angular brackets, pressing BR, and ending it. This will just be, make sure to save it, and reload the page, and look at that. It's got an extra space in between. So we can add as many of those as you want. And yeah, like I could do that. Control S, reload it, and it's down further. So that is it for tutorial 1 on the basics of making a HTML website, about how to start it. So hope you like that. If you want to see more, subscribe and drop a like on this video, because that will tell me that you want to see more of this content, and it doesn't affect you at all, but it really affects me, and it makes me know that you want to see more of this content. So thanks for watching, and have a nice day. And next time I'll be showing you how to make ordered lists and unordered lists and much more. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.